In this video, I'll show you how to use Audio Mix Studio. This way, when somebody is talking in your video, his voice or her voice will be isolated. So what you need to do is first record a video on your iPhone. This works with any iPhones running the last iOS. All right, let's say I'm done. Then you're gonna go into your photo gallery. Let me open the video I just filmed here. Then you're gonna press this button over here, you see, like a settings button, tap on it. Then press Audio Mix. And finally, you're gonna have multiple choices here. You have standard, this is the way it got recorded, nothing will be changed. Then you have in frame, it will isolate the voice. If you have somebody, let's say you're filming somebody talking, well, it will isolate that voice specifically. You have studio, which will isolate any voice that is in your video. So if I was talking like I do right now, my voice will be isolated, and therefore and finally you have cinematic. Cinematic will isolate that voice and will let a bit of background noise go through. So it's more like a mixture of both, but still prioritizing the voice. So you can go ahead and play the video and at the same time go through these options and see which one fits better your project. Once you're done, let's say I have choose studio because this is, I think it's the best. Go ahead and press done and it will save the video with the preset you just chose. This is very helpful, therefore you can share it with your friends anywhere and the audio will be greatly improved. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.